Hi. Hello, everybody. Welcome to all of you for today's session on quantitative aptitude paper explanation of your IBPS prelims mock test 8. And here, 36 to 70, you have quant questions. 36 to 40 are based on a data interpretation bar graph is given. The bar graph shows three type of markers sold by five different sellers. The total markers sold by Deepak is what percentage less than total markers sold by what? See here, different are given. Deepak, Yogesh, Aman and Shubham and Inder. Now, if you see here, question number 36, total markers sold by Deepak. Total markers sold by Deepak means how much it is? 450. It is Deepak total is how much? Deepak total is 450 plus 650 plus 550, which is 1650. What about Inder? Inder it is how much? Inder if you see it is 800 plus 750 plus 650, which is 2200. Now, simply it is asked for, this is how much percentage less than this? This is less than this by 550 on 2200 is how much percentage? Difference by base value into 100, which is 1/4. 1/4 means how much? 1/4 means 25%. So option A is correct. Now next, find the ratio of Y type of marker sold by all the sellers together to Z. This is Y type. This is Z type. Third one is Z type. So you need to find out the sum. So it is simply 650 plus 500 plus 500 plus 900 plus 750. This divided by Z. Z total how much here is 550. Next is 700. Next is 600. Next is 750. Next is 650. If you add this total, it is 3300 divided by 3250. So 0 cancel. Now 566 are 565 are 66 is to 65 is the answer. Option D is correct. Average number of markers sold by Yogesh is how much more than average markers sold by Aman. So total of Yogesh is how much? 600 plus 500, 1100 plus 700, which is 1800. 1800 by 3 is 600. And what about Aman? Aman it is 400 plus 500, 900 plus 1600, 1500 by 3, which is 500. 600 is more than 500 by 100. 600 is more than, the difference is 100. It is asked for difference only. Next, if X type marker sold by Yogesh, Shubham and Aman together is what percentage less than Z type markers sold by Yogesh, Shubham and Inder? So X type markers sold by Yogesh, Aman and Aman together is what percentage less than Z type markers sold by Yogesh, Shubham and Inder. So take this sum. If you take this sum, X type Yogesh, Shubham and Aman, these three, okay, these three sum, it is how much? 600 plus 750 plus 400, which is how much? 1750. And Z type by given people 700, 750 and 650, it is 2100. The question is now this 2100, okay, together is what percentage less? This 1750 is less than 2100 by 350. 350 less than 2100 by how much percentage? 1/6. 1/6 means 16.66. So option E. Question number 36 to 40. Now 40th question. Total number of markers sold by Deepak. Total number of markers sold by Deepak, Yogesh and Aman together. So total number of is how much more than total number of markers sold by Shubham and Inder. So it is simply see sum of all these minus sum of all these. If you sum up all everything, see it is 400 plus 650 plus 550 plus 600 plus 500 plus 700 plus 400 plus 500 plus 600. Okay, Deepak, Yogesh and Aman together minus Shubham and Inder together. So 750 plus 900 plus 750 plus 800 plus 750 plus 650. So what is the difference of this? So what is this value you are going to get? This value is 4950. And what is this value? It is 4600. So what is the difference here? 350. So answer is option C. Now questions based on number series for 16, 20, 28. So here difference is 4, here difference is 8, here difference is 12. So here difference has to be 16, which is 60. Next, 2, 11. Here difference is 9. 11, 36, difference is 25. 36 difference 49. So 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. Next has to be 9 square, 81. 85 plus 81 is how much? 85 plus 81 is 166. 166. Now question number 43. 8, 6, 14, 40 missing term. So what you observe here, it is 14 into 2, 28 plus 12. It is 6 into 2. Am I correct? Plus 2. 14 into, right, I got the logic. Right? Now the logic is here. 8 into 1, 8 minus 2. 6 into 2 plus 2. Okay, 14 into 3 minus 2. Then 40 into 4 plus 2. Into 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 2 plus 2, minus 2 plus 2. 40 into 4, 160 plus 2, 162. Next, 3, 83, 152, 208 and 249. So if you observe here, 3 and 83, difference is 80. 83, 159, 152, difference 69. 152 and 208, the difference is 56. 208 to 49, difference is 41. So here difference must be how much? 80, 69, it is decreased by 11. 69 decreased by 13, decreased by how much? 15. So 11, 13, 15. The next odd number is 17. So 41, 17 decrease means 34. 249 plus 34 is how much? 249 plus, am I correct? 41 minus 17 is 24 here. 24. 249 plus 24 is 273. 273. Next, if you see, you can find sudden increase here. So 2 into 7 is 14 into 5 is 7, 5. 7, 5 means you will get 3, you will get 1. 1. If they are odd numbers, if they are prime numbers, it has to be 2. 70 into 3, 210. So 7, 2, 3, 5, 7. 7, 5, 3, 2. Primes in decreasing order. So answer is 210. Next, question number 46. A, B, C started a business with 60,000 rupees. The amount invested by A and C together is twice that of B. Okay, while the amount invested by A and B together is thrice that of C. So here 3 parts is 60,000. So 3 parts is 60,000 means here each part is 20,000. B invested 20,000 and A and B invested 40,000. Okay. A and B invested 40,000. Next. Here 4 parts is 60,000. So 1 part is 15,000. So 3 parts is 45,000. Here B is 20. B is 20. C is B is 20. C is 15. 20 plus 15. 35. So A would be 20 plus 15, 35. A would be 25,000. Okay. A 25. C 15. B 20,000. So there A invested for 6 months. So it is 25,000 means 5 parts. It is 3 parts. It is 4 parts. A invested for 6 months. 5 parts for 6 months. B invested 3 parts for 9 months. C invested for a year. C invested 4 parts. Sorry. B invested 4 parts. B invested 4 parts for 9 months. C invested 3 parts. C invested 3 parts for a year. Now, if you see here 5 6 are 4 9s are 3 12s are. So 6 5s are 30. 6 6 are 6 6 are. Now find the share of B out of total profit of 3400. This total profit is 5 plus 6 11 plus 6 17 parts. 17 parts is 3400. So here B is 6 parts. 6 parts would be 1200. So answer is 1200. Answer is 1200. Now question number 47. The population of a village is 4500. Number of males increased by 15% and females increased by 25%. If both are increasing by 15%, then for 15% of 4500 would have been how much? 675. But 4500 becomes 5325. So there is a increase of 825. This extra 150 increase in total because females are increased by extra 10%. 10% of females is 150. So females total would be 1500. Out of 4500, if females are 1500, the question is number of females is what percentage in the village? 1500 is what percentage of 4500? One third. Number of males is what percentage of females? Number of males is females 1500 means males 3000. 3000 is double of 1500, so it is 200%. 200%. Next, a spherical cannon ball of diameter 24 centimeter is melted. So 4 by 3 pi r cube 12 cube is equal to 2. What is asked here? Cylinder. So it is not 1/3. It's cylinder. It's cylinder. It is not cone. Cylinder. Pi r square. R square means egg square. H. Pi cancel. So 2 2s are 4. So 64. 2. How many times? 32 times 64. Now you will get H is equal to 1728 divided by 96. So answer is 18. Answer is 18. Next, a man can row 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream. Directly I am writing 30 by x minus y plus 44 by x plus y has to be 10. And similarly 40 by x minus y plus 55 by x plus y has to be 13. So what is the value of x and y? So x value, take for example, you have x as 10. If x is 10, see what I can take is x is 8, y is 3. 6 plus 4 is 10 or not? 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay. Similarly, here 5 plus 8 is 30. 5 plus 8 is 13. When I will get 6 here, 30 by 8 minus 3, satisfying. X is equal to 8, y is equal to 3 are satisfying. X is equal to 8, y is equal to 3 are satisfying. You need to apply your what? Substitutional skills. Instead of doing the regular procedure, here you need to apply your substitutional skills. Okay. Next. Question number 50. A mixture contains wine and water in the ratio 5:1. On adding 5 liters of water, the ratio of wine to water becomes 5:2. The quantity of the wine in the mixture, So a mixture contains wine and water in the ratio 5:1. Okay, initially. So by adding water, what happens? The second mixture is formed. In that, wine to water ratio becomes 5:2. 5:2. Here, the quantity of wine is not changed. Only water is added. Because of that, water is increased by 1 part. So whatever the 1 part, so the wine quantity initially, if it is 5, here also it is 5. If the total mixture initially is 6 parts, the final mixture second is 7 parts. Right? Now quantity of the wine in the mixture would be how much? So here this one part is 5 liter. If 1 part is 5 liter, you have 5 parts of wine. Wine is not changed, 5 parts only. So 5 into 5, how much? 25 liters. 25 liters. Next, X, Y, Z together complete a work in 1 day. X and Z can do a work together, can do the same work as Y alone do. Y and Z together can do 5 times as much work as X alone can do. Find the time taken by Z to complete the work alone. So, X and Z together can do a work as Y alone do. Okay. Next, Y and Z together can do 5 times as much work as X do alone. If X is doing 1, see here X plus Y plus Z is 2. Here X plus Y plus Z is 6. 2 and 6. The total work is same. I am taking to be total as 6. I am multiplying this with 3. Thereby, if X is doing 1, Y is doing 3. And X plus Z are doing 2. So, X capacity is 1, Y capacity is 3 and Z capacity is 2. The total work is how much? 6. Now find the time taken by Z to complete the work. With a capacity 2, Z alone can complete 6 units of work 2 per day in 3 days. So answer is 3 days. Next. Cost price of a bat and ball is 75. Retailer, so cost price of a bat and ball. Okay, cost price is 75. Retailer sold a bat at 40% profit. Okay, and a ball at 60% loss means 40% of ball. Okay, find the cost price of bat if in whole transaction he earns 20 rupees profit. 20 rupees profit. So now see what we have here. Bat 140%, this is 40%. Bat plus ball is equal to 75, and 140% of bat plus 40% of ball is equal to 95. Now if you simplify this, what you are going to get? Simply find the cost price of bat. So please observe here, this is 40 retailer sold a bat at 40% profit and ball at 60% loss. On whole, there is a profit of 20 rupees. Profit of 20 rupees. So cost price of a bat and ball is 75 rupees. So profit on bat, cost price of a bat and ball is 75 rupees. So the mixture, please apply the allegation here. If you apply the allegation here, if 75 rupees is spending on 75 rupees, let us say he is spending on bat, then on that 40% profit means he has to get 30 rupees profit. Let us say 75 rupees is spending on ball, then he is getting a loss of 60% means he should get a loss of 45 rupees. This is ball, this is bat. But it is given that because of mixture some pies being sold here, some pies is being here, there is a overall profit of 20. So the ratio, cost price of ball and bat ratio is nothing but, so apply allegation rule. Here we will get 30 minus 20, 10 is to 20 plus 45, 65. So 5 2 ja, 5 13 ja, 2 is to 13. This 15 parts is given as 75. Then the cost price of bat is 13 parts, which is 65. So answer is 65. Answer is 65. A man starts from a point at 2 p.m. and move towards B at a speed of 25 km per hour, while Sandeep leaves point B at 4 p.m. and move towards A. So in these 2 hours, Aman already traveled for 2 hours. 2 into 25, 50 kilometers is already covered. Now it is given that the distance between A and B is 410. Already he covered 50. So remaining is 360. Now how much time? Then with what time? How much time it will take? Time is equal to distance by relative speed. 25 plus 35. So it takes 6 hours. From 10 p.m. From 4 p.m. So 4 plus 6 at 10 p.m. Where is that? At 10 p.m. they cross each other. Next, difference between compound interest on a sum for 3 years at 20% per annum is 176. Find the simple interest on the same sum after 2 years at 10% rate. So P into R by 100 whole square into R by 100 plus 3 is the difference between compound interest and simple interest for 3 years. R is given as 20. So P into R 20 by 100, 1 by 5, which is 1 by 5 whole square, 1 by 25. R by 100. So 1 by 5 plus 3. 1 by 5 plus 3 means how much it is? 16 by 5. Yes. Is equal to 176. 16 11s are. So thereby principal amount is 25 5 is 125. 125 into 11 is 125 into 11 is 5731 1375. Now find the simple interest on the same sum after 2 years at 10% per annum. So simple interest for 2 years would be 2 into 10, 20%. 20% of 1375. 20% of 1375 is how much? 275. 275. So answer is option C. Next. 55. How many 4-digit numbers can be formed by using 2, 3, 5, 7, 6 and 9 if the number should be divisible by 4 and repetition is not allowed? So as the number is divisible by 4, how many 4-digit numbers? How many 4-digit numbers? The last 2 digits have to be 32, 52, 72, 92, 36, 56, 76 and 96. The last 2 digits can be 8 ways. The last 2 digits can be 8 ways. Now this can be what? Now what you can do here? Total number of ways. Total number of ways. How many 4-digit numbers can be formed? So here repetition is not allowed. Repetition is not allowed. Total you have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6, if 2 are used here, for this you have 4 more chances because 2 digits are used here. Out of 6, 2 are used means remaining 4 chances for this. Remaining 3 chances for this. So 4 into 3 into 8. 12 8 is 96. So answer is 96. Next. Question number 56 to 65 are based on simplifications. Please see here. 2652 minus 441. 62 by 3 percentage means 20 by 3 percentage. So 20 by 3 percentage. 20 percentage means 1 by 5. 1 by 15. 1 by 15 means how much here? 1 by 15 means you will get 15 to 25. The 15, this value is 225. This value is 225. Now apply digital sum here. This is cancelled. This is cancelled. Now 5 plus 4, 9 cancel. 6 minus 6 plus 1, 7. 7 minus 7. 7 how will get? Here if it is how much? It has to be 9. So 1953. 1953 is going to satisfy. Because the digital sum of the resultant, this is 7. The LHS is 7. This is 4 square. 16 means 7. So it has to be 0. 0 means 9. Where you have digital sum 9? 1953. So it is the answer. Next. 3080 plus 6160 is how much? 9240. 9240 divided by 330. 00 cancel. The answer must end with 8. Next. 515 by 17. It is 100 by 7%, 17 percentage. Means 1 by 17. 17 cube. 17 square means 289. 289 minus 2, it is 289 minus 225. Which is 64. 64 means 8 square. So answer is 58E. Then how much into 523.5? 523.5 plus 687.5 is nothing but 1211. 1211 means it is 2 times. So answer is 20. Answer is 20. Next. Now if you see here 17 15s are 17 plus 5 22 255. 255 minus 15 which is 240. 126 plus 124 plus 176 300. 300 by 240 which is 30 by 24. 30 by 24 means 5 by 4. 5 by 4. 5 by 4 means 65 the 300. 300 minus 240. So answer is 60. Answer is 60. 61. 125 percentage of 92. 5/4 of 92. For 23 5 is 115. 115 minus 16, 99. 99. 99, this is 101. 101 minus 99, 2. So answer is 2. Next. Now please see here. 3 plus 4. 5 3 by 4 means how much? 5 4, it is 23 by 4. Okay, 23 by 4 into 1 by 2. 23 by 4 into 1 by 2. So let me simplify this. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 9, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. 22. 22 plus, what is this sum? 1 by 2 means 2 by 4. 2 by 4 plus 3 by 4, 5 by 4. 5 by 4, 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4, 8 by 4. 8 by 4 means 16 by 8. 16 by 8 plus 7 by 8. 23 by 8. So 22 plus 23 by 8 is equal to how much plus, what is this value? 5 3 by 4. 23 by 4. 23 by 4 into 1 by 2, which is 23 by 8 plus 19. So this gets cancelled. So 22 minus 19, am I correct? 3 is the answer. So answer is 3. Now 63rd question. 1156 under root is 34. 34 minus 12 minus 12. Then what is that? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 78. What is that? This is not 2 times. 170, 1728 power 1 by 3. That's it. Plus 178 minus x square is equal to 45 plus 55, 100. So 178 minus 12, 166 plus 34, 200 minus 100. X is equal to 10. So answer is 10. Next. Now what will come in place of question mark? So here digital sum is how much? 0. Here 0. Here minus 1. Minus 1 minus 3. Minus 1 minus 3 means minus 4. Minus 4 means 9 minus 4, 5. So here 5 means, here how much? This is 0 anyhow. 6 plus 1, 7 square is 49. 49 means minus 4. Minus 4 means here also 5. So this should have digital sum 0. 0 means the answer which is going to have digital sum 0 is option C. Option C is satisfying and option A is also satisfying. So let me do the regular procedure here. 111 into 36 is nothing but it is 3996 minus 67 square 3721 minus x square is 3150 minus 100 minus 3000. 3150 minus 3100 is 50. So 6 minus 1 5, 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 7 2, 275, 275, am I correct? So x square is equal to 275 minus 50, which is 225. So I am going to x as 15. X as 15. Now next, 2744 cube root means 14. 14 minus 3, 11. 11 plus 289, 300. 300 plus, so 980, 72. So answer must end with 2. End with 2. The time taken by a boat to row 21 kilometer upstream is same as the time taken by to row 12 kilometer with the against the stream. It is with the stream, it is against the stream. So 21 by the speed of the boat in still water is 5.5. Then what is the speed of the stream? So 12 kilometer against. Yes or no? Now if you simplify this, how much you are going to get? 12 5 is 65. 12 5 is 60, 66. 21 5 are 105. 105 plus 10.5. 115.5 minus 66. We are going to get 38.5 minus how much? 21 by 12y. Am I correct? How much? 21, 12. 21, 12 is 9. Simply what I have done here, cancellation. 3 sevens are 3 fours are, man. Okay, 3 sevens are 3 fours are. Then 4 fives are, 4 into 5.5 is 22. 7 into 5.5 is 38.5. Like this I can do. 38.5 minus 7y is equal to 22 plus 4y. If I simplify this, I will get 7 and 4. 11y is equal to 16.5. Thereby y is equal to 1.5. So answer is 1.5. Answer is 1.5. A and B completed work in 6 days. B and C 8 days. A and C 12 days. If they work together and A leaves the work after 4 days, then how many days B and C will take to complete the remaining work? Remaining work 6, 8 and 12. LCM is 24. So A and B, B and C, and A and C. A and B, B and C, and A and C. So 6 days 24, 1 day 4. Then 8 days 24, 1 day 3. 12 days 24, 1 day 2. Now A plus B plus C, 9 by 2, 4.5. Okay, 4 plus 3 plus 2, 2 into A plus B plus C is 9. So A plus B plus C is 4.5. 4.5. Now if you see here, now A plus B are doing how much? 4. So C is doing 0.5. A plus C are doing 2. So A is doing 1.5. And B plus C are doing 3. So B is doing 2.5. Okay. So now what is given? A leaves after 4 days. After 4 days. If all of them started the work together, so 4 into 4.5, 18 units is done. After that, remaining is 6 units. Remaining 6 units has to be done by B plus C. B plus C capacity is how much? 3. So it takes 2 more days. 2 more days for them to complete the remaining work. Now, question number 68. A path of width 1.5 kilometer is to be built around a rectangular park of length 12 meter and breadth 9 meter. Find the area of the rectangular park. So there is a 12 meter by what? 9 meter rectangular park. Okay, around this there is a width of 1.5. What is the area of the path? What is the area of the path is the question. So it would be outer rectangle minus inner rectangle. So 12 plus 3, 15, 9 plus 3, 12, minus 12 into 9. So you will get 180 minus 108, which is 72 meters square. So answer is 72 meters square, option A. Then question number 69. Find the probability of selecting 2 face cards or 2 number cards from a pack of 52 playing cards. So there are in total 12 face cards. Out of 12 face cards, selecting 2 face cards, the probability is 12C2 by 52C2. Or 2 number cards. Total we have 36 number cards. Selecting 2 number cards out of 52 cards. So this is 12C2. 12 into 11 by 2. So 12 into 11. 12 into 11. 132. 36 into 35. So if you simplify it, how much you are going to get? It is 12 into 11 by 2. I am not taking. 36 into 35 divided by 52 into 51. So if I take 12 common here, 11 plus 3 into 35 is 105 divided by here 52 into 51. Okay, so now it is how many times? 4 3 3 4s are 3 17s are, and 4 13s are 11 plus 105, 116 by 221. 116 by 221. So the last question from quantitative aptitude in today's paper. The population of city A increases at 10% and then decreases by 12%. It becomes 14.2 by 7 percentage of the city B population. City B population. Find the population of A initially. If B's population is how much? 13,552. A's initial population sum X. So when it is increased by 10 percentage and then decreased by 12 percentage, it becomes 1 by 7th of 13,552. If you simplify this, how much you are going to get? So it is 0, 0 cancel. Now it is how many times? You can say 422 times. I'll keep it like this, it's better. 422 times, 425 times. Okay. Then otherwise keep it like that only as it is. It is 88 only. I'm keeping like this only here. Okay, now how much I am going to get? Please see here 7. How many times? 17s are 119, 718s are 126, 719s are 133. Now here I have 2 5, 7 3s are 21, then 7 6 are. Now 1936. So how many times? 88 11s are 968. 968 2 times. So 100 into 10, 1000 into 2. So X is 2000. X is 2000 is the answer. Okay. So this is our today's paper explanation on quantitative section. Thank you. Thank you so much.